Hello traders and welcome back to the Forex Jig. Today we are going to take a deep look into Renko trading strategies, which are an effective way to simplify your charts and focus on the most important price movements. So Renko charts are unique because they filter out the noise of small price fluctuations, allowing you to see trends more clearly and make better trading decisions. So if you want to learn how to use these strategies to improve your entries, manage risk, and increase your profitability, stay tuned until the end of this video. These insights could be just what you need to sharpen your trading skills. So let's get started. Let me change the candle type to Renko bricks. So just gonna see, this is Renko. So just gonna click on that. And this is your Renko chart. So let me just explain what Renko charts are. Unlike traditional time-based charts, Renko charts focus solely on price movements. They use bricks to represent fixed price changes, ignoring the time element altogether. This unique approach helps you filter out market noise and identify trends more easily. So this creates a clean, easy to read chart that clearly shows price direction. So this, as you can see, is the Renko chart. There are no candlesticks, these are just bricks, Renko bricks. So by using Renko charts, you can simplify your analysis and focus on what truly matters: significant price movements. So this can lead to more confident decision making. So let's explore some basic Renko trading strategies you can start implementing right away. So the first on my list is the trend following strategy. And the trend following strategy is one of the most straightforward and effective ways to trade using the Renko charts. So this approach capitalizes on the clear trend identification that Renko charts provide. To implement this strategy, you look for consecutive bricks in the same direction. A series of upward bricks indicates an uptrend, while a series of downward bricks signals a downtrend. The key is to enter trades in the direction of these clearly defined trends. So for example, you can see here, let's say this consecutive green bricks. I'd say when you spot a trend like this is a bullish trend, so you can consider entering a trade after the formation of the second or third brick. You can see this bullish trend right here. After this minor retracement, you can see the 3 bricks formed. Now you can consider placing your entry after the third or second brick with your stop loss just below that swing low right there. And that is how you can use the trend following strategy. So this helps confirm that the trend is established and reduces the risk of false signals by counting about 2 or 3 bricks first before entering your trades. So for exit strategies, consider closing your position when you see a brick in the opposite direction. Like you can see this red brick right here, you could close your position. As we saw this red brick, you could close your position, or you could close it at this consistent red bricks right here. Either way, any one you choose. This is another example. You can see this consistent green Renko bricks right there. You could enter your position after the third brick. Your stop loss below the swing low right here, and take profits should be after when you see a brick in the opposite direction of your trade, which is this red one right here. You can close your trade right there. So that is it for the trend following strategy. The next on my list is the breakout strategy. So I'm just gonna close all of the, I'm just gonna delete all these on my charts. So the breakout strategy is another powerful approach when using Renko charts. This method aims to capitalize on significant price movements that breaks through established support or resistance levels. So in Renko charts, support and resistance levels are often clearly defined due to the uniform brick size. So you look for areas where price has repeatedly reversed, forming a horizontal line of bricks. So these areas represent potential breakout zones. So let me show you in the charts. To implement this strategy, you should just set entry orders just above resistance for potential long trades, or just below support for potential short trades. So let me look for that on the charts. You can see this breakout right here. Okay, you can see after this breakout to the upside, price was bullish, had this minor retracement, then you see the breakout to the upside, then the minor pullback, and you can see the bullish trend continued just after that. And let me look for more examples to illustrate that better. You can see this breakout and price reversed. You can see this is another one, though it's not significant enough. Price didn't get to that resistance, that support on resistance level, so I'm just gonna delete that. It's just like support on resistance. SMC guys call it breaker blocks. So look at this one. This is another one right here. Yeah, that's perfect. This is another one. Yeah, that is the breakout strategy using Renko bricks, or the Renko chart. So the next on my list is the parabolic SAR retracement strategy. So I'm just gonna add the parabolic SAR. Let me come back. So I'm just gonna add the parabolic SAR. So the parabolic SAR indicator, and this is the parabolic SAR indicator. Let me just edit this. Make them more visible. Okay, for the parabolic SAR, SAR retracement strategy, it combines the power of Renko charts with the parabolic stop and reverse indicator to identify potential trade entries during pullbacks in a trend. So the parabolic SAR is represented by dots above or below the price. When these dots are below the price, it indicates an uptrend. Conversely, dots above the price suggests a downtrend. So this indicator works particularly well with Renko charts due to their clear trend representation. So to implement this strategy, first identify the overall trend using the Renko bricks, then wait for a retracement in the opposite direction of the trend, and as retracement occurs, watch for the parabolic SAR to flip to the other side of the price. So you are to enter a trade when a new Renko brick forms in the direction of the main trend after the parabolic SAR confirms this direction. So this approach allows you to enter trades at potentially favorable prices while still following the overall trend. So let me just show you that on the chart. You can see this. We were bullish right here, so we had this retracement. You can see this bullish move, had this retracement, and after this retracement, you can see after the parabolic SAR gave us a confirmation with this, and you can see this after 3 consecutive bricks. You could consider entering a long position from there. Your stop loss just below the swing low right there, and your take profit should be where you see the parabolic SAR dots above price. So that is one way you can use it. This is another example. You can see price all the way down here, give us this pullback, this retracement before continuing. And you can see after 3 breaks right there, price give us the confirmation, and you see the parabolic SAR also giving us another confirmation to enter the trade. And you could consider placing your short trades from there, price just above that swing high, and your take profit should be where you see the parabolic SAR below price. So that is it for the parabolic SAR retracement strategy. So the next on my list is the moving average crossover system. So I'm just gonna delete all of this and add the moving average crossover system. So just gonna add the moving average indicator, and it's the simple moving average I'll be using for this example. So this is it. I'm just gonna add one more. Okay. So the moving average crossover system is a classic trading strategy that can be highly effective when applied to Renko charts. This approach uses 2 moving averages of different periods to generate buy and sell signals. Typically you use a faster moving average, such as let me use the 9 period for this example, the 9 period MA, and a slower moving average like the 20 period moving average. Let me change this to 20. So when the faster moving average, which is the 9 MA, when the faster MA crosses above the slower MA, it generates a buy signal. Conversely, when the faster MA crosses below the slower MA, it produces a sell signal. So to implement this strategy, you wait for a crossover to occur and then enter a trade when the next Renko break forms in the direction of the crossover. So this additional confirmation can help reduce false signals and improve your entry timing. So as you can see, after this cross, you can see price started going lower, and you can see the confirmation with this formation of 2 consistent breaks right there to give us the confirmation we need. And the entry could be here with your stop loss just above that swing high, and take profit could be when your moving average gives you another cross to the upside, signaling that we might be looking for a bullish trend. So that is how you can use the moving average crossover system with the Renko charts. This is another example. See this confirmation with this consistent green candles, and this is another one right here. See, after that you can see these consistent candles, and it's always important you confirm your trades, don't just enter. You can see after this bullish move, after this bullish crossover, we had this retracement before we had the consistent green candles that gave us that push to the upside. So always confirm your trades. So this strategy tends to perform best in trending markets. In raging markets, it may generate frequent crossovers that could lead to whipsaws, just like we had here. So therefore, it's important to consider the overall market context when using this system. So alright traders, you've come to the end of the video. By combining these charts with various strategies and indicators like trend following, breakouts, parabolic SAR, and moving averages, you can develop a robust trading system that filters out market noise and highlights significant price action. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more Forex trading insights and strategies. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading.